Tesla has 5 different types of batteries in their cars, even though they only have 4 models, the S, the X, the Y and the 3. So the first one is the Model 3 and Model Y pack made in China. It has LFP cells and 4 rows like that. The 2 rows in the middle are a bit longer. Yeah, whatever. It has 4 rows and they are big cells, all formed into a module, 4 large modules. They get them from CATL and they just put them in the pack. I mean at Tesla. So this is the LFP Model 3 and Y. Then there's the other one that's also made in China but also in the US. Same size, same shape, same everything. It has 4 modules. But they are cylindrical cells. Like this. About 4,000 and something of them. And this is traditional lithium ion, manganese and something else, whatever. About 4,000 cells. And this is the long range. It has about 82 kilowatt hours. Yes, also for the Model 3 and Y. There's another one, recently made in Texas, with Tesla's new cells, the 4680. So these are also cylindrical cells, and originally they didn't want to do this, but I don't know why. They also made 4 modules here, just like the other 2 packs, but these are really big cells like this, maybe 3 in a row like that, something like that, really big, almost twice as big as the other one, or at least, yeah, twice as big. And there are about 800 of them. So you need 5 times less cells because they are bigger. So they made this the standard range. And I don't know why they did this. Probably they didn't have enough cells. But there's a gap here between the modules. And that wasn't originally in the plans, I think. Because when they opened Giga Berlin, they had another type of battery pack that they are allegedly making now, the long range pack with the new cells. That is the same shape and size, almost identical with the 4680, but they have 960 cells, and the pack is just one giant piece of cells glued together with the cooling pipes and everything. So this one is the one that they advertised. It was on display at Giga Berlin, and now they are making it in Giga Texas. So this is just one big giant piece of glued together cells, and this is the long range cell, and the cooling lines allegedly are between them here, every second row. So here's another cooling line. Yeah, so they touch every cell, and these are also tied together, whatever. So this is the long range, the newest long range pack, and this should be about 85 kilowatt hours right now, but this is due to something stupid. They can't make the high capacity cells yet. Allegedly, the cell's capacity is about 18% less than planned. So yeah, you have only 85. But when they'll make the highest capacity cells, it will be more than 100 kilowatt hours. And that will be really, really nice. So these are the Model 3 and Y. And let's draw the other one, which is the Model S and X. So Model X and S. That looks, I'll draw it like this, horizontally. It's a bit longer and wider than the other packs. Yeah, whatever. I mean, the shape is a little bit different because for the wheels you have something like this. Whatever, I don't care. So these packs use 18650 cells. This is the original form factor that they used for the original S and X, but the chemistry is improved very much. So they have about 7 or 8,000 of them in here. What they changed is that there are 5 modules now, and like this. I don't know why. Ask them why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're supposed to be identical, but whatever. And yeah, so 5 large modules. And these are small cylindrical cells. There's several thousand of them. Like 1,200 per module or something like that. They fixed the cooling. Now the cooling goes in parallel to every module. And it's a huge improvement. But yeah, it's the same form factor, what they used originally. So this is kind of... they didn't have the 4680 cells ready when they launched this car, the Model S and X refresh, and Plaid, of course. So they used the old cells. And yeah, it's somewhere under 100 kilowatt hours. Kilowatt hour. What am I writing here? So it's less than 100 kilowatt hours. Like that. Let's draw in all the 7,000 of them. Okay. So these are in production right now. And what they want to do is eventually they'll change this over to 4680 cells. And then it will have at least 130 kilowatt hours. And that will be about 530 miles of range. And that would be awesome. They originally promised that, but shipped the crappy cells, I mean the old form factor. And then they didn't deliver the high range car. It only has around 400 miles range. So yeah, these are the battery packs, and hopefully more will come for the semi, for Cybertruck. Those will be really interesting, as they will be structural packs like these ones. The new cells are allegedly, it's not proven yet, we don't know, but they should be glued to the top and bottom of the pack, and it's then it becomes a structural member of the car. So these two should be structural packs, but we shall see, because maybe Tesla is going there in small steps. They couldn't do the best version right from the start. So yeah, we'll see those. And hopefully, yeah, the Cybertruck will also have the structural pack, and the Semi will have a structural pack, and we should see them next year. So yeah, next year I'll make another video